Today it's like some sport car. It's like black and red. So inside, I think also inside you see the black and red. So it's really good car, sport car. I like it. So it's good weather in Florida. So if you like the good weather, you should be like in Florida. But if you like a sport car, you need to have something like this in your garage. Wow. Good sport car. Good color, good weather. Please leave a comment if you like sport cars like this. If you have or had a sport car like this, please leave a comment. It's a really good car. If you know that if I need to find some car for you, please leave a comment. It's a really good car. See you guys.